Welcome! Did you know that most people think electricity always takes the shortest path? Well, guess what? It doesn't. While electricity prefers the path of least resistance, it can branch out and flow through multiple paths simultaneously. That's why grounding systems in your house are so critical. So next time someone says electricity always takes the shortest path, you'll know better. Have you ever wondered why birds can sit on power lines without getting electrocuted? No, they don't have superpowers. It's simply because there's no voltage difference across their feet. But if they were to touch two wires at the same time, zap! The current would flow right through their bodies. So, while birds may look invincible, they're just great at keeping one foot in line. Literally. Let's talk about rubber shoes. You might have heard that they can save you from electric shocks. But here's the truth. While rubber soles might reduce the chance of a shock, they are not a guaranteed shield. High voltage can jump or flow through you regardless of your footwear. Remember, safety isn't about relying on your shoes. It's about using proper equipment and being cautious around electricity. High voltage sounds terrifying, right? But did you know that it's not always deadly? The real danger lies in the current, measured in amps. For example, a 10,000-volt static shock might just sting, while a 110-volt current at only 0.1 amps could stop your heart. So, the next time you hear about high voltage, remember that it's the amps that matter most. Knowledge is power, literally. Here's a scary one. Most overhead power lines are not insulated. That's right, those wires are bare metal. The only reason they don't spark all the time is the distance between them and the ground. So, if you ever see power lines, don't even think about getting close. Respect the danger zone and stay safe. Electricity is fascinating, but it's also misunderstood. These myths can spark curiosity, but knowing the truth could save your life. If you enjoyed this electrifying breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more shocking facts every week. Stay safe, stay curious, and remember, knowledge is the most powerful current of all.